here's the scoreboard. These guys said that we had wrong rules. They said that respawn delay is supposed to be 5 seconds when it's actually supposed to be 7.5. They all left. I'll show you the when I get killed. It'll show you. See respawn. It'll start. It'll start at 7. They said it was supposed to be 5. It's 5 in default, but this is variant. It's supposed to be 7.5 respawn delay. They eventually all just leave. You see, one of them just switched teams. Or I think he actually killed himself. Can't switch teams. There, you see they all left. KS Laggy, KSG Shadows, KSG Instinct. Here's our 3 names again. I ended it. That's our win. This is third map. Thank you.